fishing as well on my boat, alright? Hands into the boat. Don't put it on the gray area of the board. Alright. Express at the back. Please be careful. Thank you. Alright.